Hello everyone, my name is Rajat Nagavkar and I will be talking about a Squander application. So, a Squander application is a waste detection application which is developed in Xcode using Swift language. I will first give you a short description about what a Squander application does. So, Squander application is a waste detection application where it detects waste from an image and classifies it into six different categories such as plastic, metal, glass, paper, trash, uh, and so on. And after the detection of the waste, then the waste, if a user want to recycle the particular item to a location, if he don't know how to recycle that product, then he can use this app to get an idea about the recycling location, about how to recycle a particular item, and he will get a list of this recycling location and select any one to get the details. And in the way he can contact to the recycling location, and proceed to give a request such as sending the image of the items that of the waste that he want to recycle. And he can also provide a short description about the products he want to recycle. So since the whole process is about recycling of a waste material, or detecting and recycling of a recyclable item. So I will walk you through the project demo so that you'll get uh, a clear idea about how the app works. Okay. So first I will run this application. So as you can see on the right, we see a device is running, that is iPhone 8, and on this device I have launched this application. And so after launch screen is displayed, this is a welcome screen where we can see a message is displayed about Scorner, and at the bottom is a proceed button. So once I click the proceed button, it navigates back to the login screen. So we have here, if a user is already logging, then he can log in through the screen. And if he has not login or is a new user, then he can click the sign up button and sign up through the screen. So we also have a forget password screen, where if a user has forgot his password, he can recover his passwords by entering his email address. So we have here, I have already created a user, so I will try to log in with that user. Okay, so Mark is the user. I'll enter his email address. So password. So as you can see, our counter application home screen is displayed. So and the user is logged in. So if you want to see that who is logged in, then you can click the profile button, where we get an idea about the username, that is Mark, his email address, his work, and his address and contact. Okay, so this is a home screen. So in the home screen, if a user want to recycle particular item, then he can click this earth image in the center, as you can see. So he'll get two options, that he either he want to capture he recycle the product by capturing the image, or by selecting the pre capture photo from the library. So if we want to capture image from camera, so he clicks the camera button. I will try to so as you can see, there is a cardboard box here near me. Then I will try to recycle or detect it through my app. So as you can see, it detects as a cardboard, cardboard with the name and with confidence value of about 0.98, or we can say it as a 98% as a confidence value. And as you can see, this way our model works. So I will try to recycle a few any other items from this, such as what I have in the photo library. So I have a glass here. I will try to detect this for my model. So as you can see, we get it detects as a glass, and we get a confidence value of about 198. And if we try for any other thing, such as we have lost of images in air. So if I try to this image, see what we'll see what it detects. So it detects it as a trash. So as such, like this, we can detect various items, such as plastic, glass, metal, trash, and we can categorize it, and the model gives us the output. The app gives us the output about the what the particular item is. And further now we will try to recycle it to a particular location. Okay, so once I click the glass, it gives us as a glass. Okay, so if I user want to recycle this item, then we can click that recycle button, and he is navigated to this recycle screen, where he can see the map, where various annotations are there. If I zoom in this, then I get the details of the recyclers, such as the annotations Quanta and AJ Recycling and Evergreen Recycling Solutions. So these are the recycling locations nearby my current location. The blue dot shows my current location, and the red annotation shows the recycling locations. And below that, we have a list of recycling locations, such as Rockway Recycling, Capito Recycling, related to the glass recycling. The recycling location mostly recycle the glass products. Uh, so so uh, so if a user want to see the details of the recycling location, then he clicks this recycle button, and then he is navigated to this detail screen, where he gets details of the recycling location, such as Capito Recycling is the name, and his address and contact and website. So these details are for so that the user can contact this recycling location to if he has a something like a bulk amount of things that he want to recycle, or or he can contact via through website. So we have also provision about contacting the recycling locations through this contact button. So if a user want to contact this recycling location, then he clicks the contact button, and he navigates back to the request screen. So in this screen, the item to be recycled, that is the glass, the image of the glass is displayed, and the bottom, there is a name of the item and a description. So I will just write a description about the item that I want to recycle this item. So the idea about beyond the description is that if a user has a bulk amount of items, and he want to and also if the recycle company don't know about the weight of the items, how much the quantity of the item is and how much is the weight, they cannot send a proper vehicle to collect these items. So there is a need to give a description about the what type of the item is. so that the so that it will be helpful for collecting that item and to get back to the recycling location. So once the request is set up, a request is sent. When I press this request button, so as you can see, the request has been sent successfully to the recycling location. And once I click this OK button, and then we are navigated to the home screen. So once this request is processed by a particular recycling location, then we are able to see we are able to see the request in the scat screen, where about what type of the products that a user has recycled along his whole usage of the application. That you can see he has recycled cardboard, glass, and if cardboard glass. And you can see that the name of the recycling location, the item that is has recycled, and that the date, that is 21st December. Okay. So if we get back to the home screen, then so this is a whole idea about how a product is recycled to a particular location after detecting it, are classifying it into six categories, and recycling that item to a particular location. So if we move on to the home screen, then at the top there is an info button. If a user want to know about what the application does and how to use it, he can get an idea about that. And he can also look for frequently asked questions about about which tells about what are the common items that can be recycled, and what are the items that can never be recycled. So there is a list of the fake use that the user can look about. And if a user likes the idea about the application, he can click the contact button and contact the Squander team if he want to develop this application, or he want to give us feedback about how good the application is and how it is protecting the environment through recycling, and using this technology. Then he can contact the Squander team through the email or phone number. And there is a feedback form also to share the feedback about the app, and to contribute. So this is a contact team. So overall, this is a Squander application which tries to detect waste from an image, and it tries to recycle and get the user the recycling locations nearby his current location, and send a request to a particular recycling location. So the whole process is about recycling a particular item. Okay. So with this, I will end my HITA project demo. If you have any questions, then you are free to ask. And please comment or on the how about the feedback of our application. And as this is our last sprint, and we are happy to share this beautiful product, and which helps user to recycle the things, okay, and contribute to the environment. So thank you for watching this presentation.